In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a professional email using GoDaddy. Whether you're running a business or simply want a more polished email address for personal use, having a custom domain email can make a big difference. It's a straightforward process, and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. First, we'll begin our journey by heading over to GoDaddy. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not yet a member, it will be necessary to create an account to proceed. This part is crucial because all the services we'll be using are tied directly to your account. Now, with your account pulled up and you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper corner where your profile icon is usually located. Click on your profile, and from the drop-down menu, select My Products. This is your command center, where you can access all the services and features associated with your GoDaddy account. Once you're on the My Products page, look for an option that says Email and Office. Clicking this will expand your choices related to email services. Now let me explain why this is important. Creating a professional email involves having a dedicated domain, and GoDaddy makes this easy by providing a variety of subscription plans. These plans are designed to cater to different needs. Whether you need just a basic email setup or more advanced features like cloud storage and collaboration tools, you'll need to choose a plan that fits your requirements and subscribe. This may involve providing some payment information, but rest assured that this is standard practice for setting up a domain-based email service. Once your subscription is active, you're all set to start creating your professional email address. This email will not only look great on business cards and websites, but also help in building trust with your clients and partners. Finally, there you have it. You're done. You've successfully navigated through the setup process and can now start using your professional email. You've taken a significant step towards establishing a credible digital presence. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. Remember that investing a bit of time to set up a professional-looking email can go a long way in growing your communication reach and establishing your presence online. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. Have a wonderful day.